Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about 2023 Genesis GV60, so let's get started. The easy-to-use technology and luxury of the GV60 make it stand out from the crowd. What kind of car is the 2023 Genesis GV60? The Genesis GV60 is an all-electric compact luxury SUV that is all new for 2023. It competes against a growing field that currently includes the Tesla Model Y and Volvo XC40/C40, as well as the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and Kia EV6, which plays this role. Platform on the GV60. The GV60 is a very powerful car, with one flaw: its abysmal suspension. That's not enough to spoil the session, however, as the GV60's long list of standard features, technology and luxury cabins earn it a good TCC rating of 8.2 out of 10. What's new for the 2023 Genesis GV60? The GV60 is new for 2023, though it's based on the same Hyundai eGMP platform that also underpins the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and Kia EV6. All three feature different styling and driving styles suited for each brand. That makes the GV60 a very refined bunch, with a superb interior and plenty of tech features that would make Hyundai and Kia a little envious. The GV60's exterior styling is a combination of OT SUV and Genesis funkiness, shrunk into a compact package. Viewed in profile, the GV60 looks almost identical with a low front and rear overhang and a sweeping rear window and C-pillar. Genesis signature lines are seen on both the headlights and taillights, and the lower grille is subtly pentagon-like on the rest of the cars in the lineup. There's only one battery option, a 77.4 kWh pack that fits the tall models of the Ioniq 5 and EV6. All-wheel drive is standard, but the GV60's two trim levels, Advanced and Performance, offer different horsepower. The base Advanced has a 74 kW front motor and a 160 kW rear motor, which produces 314 horsepower and 446 lb-ft of torque. But Performance boosts the front motor to 160 kW and power increases to 429 horsepower and 516 lb-ft, with a 10-second boost mode that boosts power to 483 horsepower and burst. The Performance model adds an electronically controlled suspension with a camera that monitors the road ahead and adjusts the suspension for bumps and holes it detects in the road. The distance between the two models is close, with 248 miles from the EPA for Advanced and 235 miles for Performance. Both models use an 800-volt charger structure that allows fast DC charging from 10% to 80% in just 18 minutes. Inside, the GV60 is similar to the GV70 except for the dashboard. Genesis does a great job of making the surface look good in terms of shapes and textures, without interfering in the realm of normal art. It's between the front seats that the GV60 changes things, with a highly functional center console that features a large storage compartment underneath and a light orb as its centerpiece. The orb rotates when the GV60 is turned on to reveal the beautiful drive selector itself. The GV60 standard feature list is more robust than some other cars' options lists. Matching 12.3-inch screen for infotainment and instrument cluster is standard, such as a 17-speaker Bang & Amp, Olufsen audio system, wireless charger, auto-dimming rearview mirror, head-up display, a tail station, heated and knife in front of the chair. And a big cover. All safety features offered by the GV60 are standard, including adaptive cruise control, active lane control, a surround camera system, blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking. How much does the 2023 Genesis GV60 cost? The Advanced model starts at $59,985, including a $1,095 destination charge, followed by the Performance model at $68,985. 2023 Genesis GV60. Styling. The interior of the GV60 is elegant and luxurious. From the outside, the GV60 has a few good parts and a few bad ones, but there is nothing wrong with its working interior. It gets 1 point for its beautiful exterior details and 2 more for its beautiful interior. It is 8. Is the Genesis GV60 a good car? The GV60 looks great with its bonnet and large flat-top grille. But in profile, it rocks with a short overhang that makes it look about 6 inches shorter than it should be. The GV60's underbody hood is also gray on all models, so keep that in mind when choosing an exterior color. The interior comes without those risks, with an ergonomic and stylish design. The circular cabin theme can be seen in the climate control, air conditioning, doors and even the glove box. While the GV60's flipping orb may be cool, it also serves a purpose. It can be hard to tell when an EV is on, and all it takes is a quick look, and if you see an orb you know the vehicle is off. 2023 Genesis GV60. Performance. Strong acceleration is the GV60's strength, but its ride quality falters on rough roads. As you would expect from an electric car, the GV60's acceleration is strong and it always has plenty of power. Surprisingly, the suspension tuning of the GV60 struggles on rough roads and tight corners. He scored 7 in this category, just on the strength of his train. 2023 Genesis GV60. Comfort and amp quality. The GV60 is impressive with its small footprint and comfortable travel space in both rows. The GV60 is among the smallest and shortest vehicles in this category, but the good packaging gives it good space for passengers and cargo. It gets both points, an extra point for its materials and fit and finish, and a point for a seat that's comfortable enough to give it an impressive 8. At 177.8 inches long, the GV60 is shorter than the Model Y, 9.3 inches, and the Ioniq 5, 4.7 inches. But it still provides a good amount of legroom for 2 rows of seats and 37.6 inches in the back and 24.0 cubic feet of storage behind the seats. Its warm cabin shape also produces good headroom for both lines. For a small SUV, the GV60 is very open and airy for all passengers. Walk around the house to his liking and the harmony of the building. There is no cheap area to be seen, except maybe the rubber bezel around the glass, but that is attractive to the highest degree. The built-in model adds a Nappa leather cover in a diamond-cut pattern that is eye-catching and comfortable. The GV60 has yet to be crash-tested. It's hard to say, since the GV60 hasn't been tested by IIHS or NHTSA. What we can say is that the GV60 comes with one of the strongest standard safety features in the market, which is very different from other luxury cars. The usual suspects are standard, such as automatic emergency braking, rear parking sensors, and spot monitoring. But the GV60 goes a step further and adds a surround view camera system, head-up display, adaptive cruise control, and a blind spot monitor that displays a live camera view on the dash. Road lights and automatic wipers. 2023 Genesis GV60. Plan. Open and drive the GV60 without a key or phone, thanks to its face and fingerprint technology. The GV60 excels in this category, with lots of standard equipment, solid options for the top grade, a big screen, and a good 5-year per 60,000-mile warranty, along with a 10-year per 100,000-mile warranty on the powertrain. These add up to 9 here. Which Genesis GV60 should I buy? The top model, $59,985, will be enough for most people. It fits the technology of the performance trim and offers a lot of performance on its own. This technology includes the best tricks of the GV60, facial recognition and a fingerprint reader that allows you to start the car without keys or a phone. It's easy to install and use the camera on the B-pillar to lock and unlock the GV60, and the fingerprint scanner on the controller starts it up. An infrared camera reads your face in the dark or in bad weather, and a printed photo or image won't mislead you. The car stores 2 profiles for owners to share services. When paying, however, this requires another security step, so the driver must open the door and unlock the port by pressing the power door lock. A 12.3-inch screen up front is also standard for the instrument cluster and infotainment system. It still requires a cable for smartphone compatibility, but Android Auto/Apple CarPlay is fully featured on the infotainment screen. Luxury features are standard on the GV60, with heated and cooled front seats, a 17-inch Bang & Amp Olufsen sound system, a heater, air conditioning, reversible door handles and a security system. A garage that allows you to move the GV60. Go forward or backward using only the key fob. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. Comment down what next review you guys want. See you guys in next video, and thanks for watching.